Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Roblox Studio and let's see how to create a lot of enemies for your game in Roblox Studio. So, this is your project and let's go and find Toolbox. And in Toolbox, I'm searching for enemy. There are different enemies for free and I'm choosing slime enemy. If I click few more times, I will get few of them. Or I'm doing Ctrl Z. If I chosen one only, what can I do? I will select it and then do Ctrl D. And you see here in our Explorer that there are a lot of slimes. Then let's separate them. Let's do them more visible, so I am at home choosing and moving this one here, clicking, moving. A lot of them. That was the last one. Okay? And you can play. It could be interesting. Thank you, bye.